Hi, this is Rachel Nolan, and this is the Human Resource Frame for AEP 855. So according to Bowman and Deal, the Human Resource Frame is looking at an organization like a family. So instead of treating employees like worker bees, it's treating them like they are part of a team, that they are valued, and that their skills are appreciated at work. And so it means prioritizing people as opposed to prioritizing the end result. It focuses on employee skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication. And then from using the human resource frame, both the organization and the people benefit. And so the organization benefits from having people happy, using their skills, bringing out their talents. And the people benefit from knowing that they're working at a place that appreciates them, and feeling like they're part of the team. And so in a school, if I were to prioritize all the humans and people that go into a school, here's how I would do it. And so first, up at the top is the principal, and I would say also the administrative team all goes in that top layer. And then the second is the students, because in a school, students are our main priority. Every decision needs to be viewed through the lens of what is best for students. And so the principal's job is to keep the students happy and safe and learning. And then the principal can't do that alone, which means that teachers and office staff are in my next level. The students interact with the teachers more than the principal or more than anyone else really at school. And so it's important to keep teachers happy, feeling like they're appreciated, that their talents are noticed. And then office staff, because they do all the clerical work, they make sure a school runs smoothly. They need to be at that same level too. If the office staff isn't happy, the school is not running the way it should be running. Next I put parents, because if we view a school like a business, the parents are the customer. They are sending students to us and expecting a result. And so if the school can't deliver that result, the parents are not going to be happy with us. If we can deliver that result, they are going to invest their time and money and energy into the school and into making it better. And so one of our main jobs is keeping the parents happy, because we want them on our team. We want everyone on our team, but we definitely want parents to be on board with what we're doing at school. The next one is paraprofessionals. These are the people that are interacting with our special needs students and our student body at large. Some paraprofessionals just work with a few kids. Some of them will help out with a whole class. My mom was a paraprofessional, and she would help out an entire classroom full of kids. And so she was benefiting not just one student, but a whole classroom full of them. In my current job, I've talked to paraprofessionals that feel like they're not part of the team, that teachers don't know their names, that they're not recognized, and that is not okay with me. And so paraprofessionals really need to be noticed for all the hard work they do, because they are an underappreciated profession that we really need in our classrooms. The next level would be custodians and maintenance personnel and cooks. I put them all together because I would classify them as support staff. But very important support staff. If none of these people showed up, the school would be closed. So custodians, making sure that our classrooms are sanitary and safe for our students. Maintenance personnel, making sure that our old buildings are still running the way they did 50 years ago. Making sure that we don't have roof leaks or broken desks, things like that. And then cooks, providing the food that our kids need. Some of our kids get food only at school. So they are a crucial member of the school team. And then finally, I put community and alumni, because they don't interact with the school as much as everyone else does, but they are still an important part of a school. And so the community and alumni might show up to fundraising events, they might be there at school board meetings or at city council meetings, and they vote for bonds and stuff that the school needs to raise money. And so all of these people help run a school. They're all important. If I had to classify them in a hierarchy, this is how I would do it. But they all need to feel appreciated in the human resource frame. Thanks.